this is Chef Shay. How's everybody doing? So it's starting to get to those warmer months. It's not as warm here yet in Atlanta, but we are starting to want to get that taste for maybe some barbecue or something like that. So today I'm going to be making barbecue short ribs with my mango barbecue sauce, but we're going to do it in the oven because like I said, it's still kind of not real warm to be sitting outside, but this is a quick, easy way if you still want that grill or that barbecue taste on some nice, yummy short ribs. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I have cleaned and washed my short ribs. These are a little thinner. Most people use these sometimes when they're doing Korean short ribs, barbecue short ribs, but we're gonna use these. They're easy to do, easy to make. And so let's get started on the seasonings. So I have some garlic powder here. And you could do this marinate overnight if you wanted to. And I'll put the measurements of the garlic, of the seasonings in the description. We have the mesquite seasoning. So you're just gonna season up your meat. We have some onion powder, some pepper, and some kosher salt. And a little bit of the mango barbecue sauce. We're gonna pour a little bit of that in here as well, some of the mango sauce. And then we'll also glaze it with it later on. And then we're going to just try to get all this nice and get all the seasonings and everything nicely coated. And just want to nicely coat it like that. Nicely coated. And then we're gonna put this on a baking sheet at 350 for the first 30 minutes. And then we'll turn up. It's gonna take about 45 minutes to an hour for these to be ready in the oven, okay? Okay, y'all, so we have a baking sheet here. And so I'm just gonna wrap it with foil. So this is gonna be easy cleanup too, y'all. Easy cleanup. So we're just gonna line the pan. And then we're gonna put a little bit of water in this, at the bottom of this, so it'll steam, have a little steam come up. So you just put a little bit of water in here. You don't have to put a lot. Just a little for the bottom of the pan. And then you're gonna take your rack. You can put your rack down. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our short ribs on top of this. Okay, so we have them all on there, and so now we're gonna put them in the oven. I'm getting ready to put these in the oven. We have it at 350 degrees. So we're gonna put them in the oven. Ooh, some of the water kind of leaked out. That's okay. Still should be okay. And we're gonna let them bake. We're gonna let them cook for about 20 to 20, I'm gonna say about 25 minutes. And then I'm gonna put it to 375 and let it cook a little bit. And we're gonna get to like 400 at the end. But so for right now, we're gonna start at 25, for 25 minutes, we're gonna start at 350, okay? To happen. So they're looking good. I think they should be okay. I don't think I'm gonna have to turn them. Now, so I'm getting ready to check the short ribs. They've been in there for another 20 minutes at 375. So they're nice and brown, and they're getting tender. They're not quite all the way tender, but you see how they're kind of getting there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover them for another 10 minutes. Let me take them out for a minute. Ooh. That was kind of careful here. I'm gonna put a little foil on top and let it steam to get a little more tender than, you know, I want them a little, they're getting tender, but I want them where you can just cut like with a butter knife, y'all, butter knife. But they got a pretty color on them. Hot. So, bear with me here. Okay, so I'm gonna put these back in for like 10 minutes. They should be more tender, and then we're gonna glaze them with the mango barbecue sauce. Pretty much done. So I'm gonna pull them out. I'm gonna glaze them with the mango barbecue sauce. Trying to get it off. I'm gonna show you. See how tender it is now? Yeah, it's hard for me to see how tender it is now. It's more tender. So now we're gonna put some of the sauce on it. So just dab the mango on there. It smells good too. And then once they rest, probably for like 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, then you can put them on a platter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on this platter. Or you could just take them at that time and, you know, feed them to your family. But I'm doing this for, you know, make it look like something before I go in. I'm gonna eat this little piece here. I'm gonna put a little greenery. You know, just for aesthetics if you want to put them on the table. And then you can put a little bit of sauce on the side for dipping. On the side, we're gonna put a little mango barbecue sauce in there. Because you could have this for dipping purposes. And there you have it. Mango barbecue short ribs. Okay, y'all, so I picked one of my short ribs up. So I'm gonna cut it into it. I'm trying to get it, y'all. Hold on here. So with my little butter knife. And I'm gonna dip it in the little mango barbecue sauce, because you know I'm a dipper. Let me dip the other part too. It's good, it's sticky. The mango barbecue sauce, oh no, sorry, get it out, because the mango barbecue sauce is sweet, sticky, spicy. So you have it, it's just another way to do your ribs, you know what I'm saying? And they're short ribs. It was easy. You see how we put them in the oven. They got tender in the oven. Recipe, it'll be at DivineKuizine.com. You can buy the mango barbecue sauce there. This is a must. I'm just gonna pick it up, y'all. Just pick it up. It's a must try. Love y'all, Chef Shay.